doing today? Welcome to the fourth video of this TablePress tutorial series. In the third video of this series, in the last part I showed you how to delete a column, and there was a column here, right to the left of this one. There was a column here, right here, and the column's name was profile image of the employee, and next to it was name of the employee. Okay, so I deleted that column, profile image of the employee. So let me remind you once again how to delete a column. Let's say we want to delete this column, joining date. So all you have to do is to select the box which is associated with this column you want to delete, and then since it is about a column, not a row, you have to get here. And now all you have to do is to click this particular delete button, selected columns. Okay, so should I delete this one? Okay, let me select something easier that I can insert later. Total service period, this one is pretty easy because 3.8 years, 3.3 years, 2.8 years and 2.3 years. These are pretty simple and easy data for me to memorize and then repeat. So let me select this particular column, and since I am dealing with a column, not a row, I need to look at here. If you need to insert a new row or delete a new row, you need to get here. Okay, since I'm dealing with a column, so here selected column, and now I click delete. This is the confirmation, and as you can see, now there are 4 columns only. Previously there was 5 columns, and total duration period, the column that's gone. Okay, how to insert a column? One thing is that probably you cannot undo something that's deleted here. That's why I cannot simply click an undo button and then get back that particular deleted column. Okay, but since it was the data, then they were pretty simple to remember. So why don't I insert a new column, not new row? Okay, so all that I have to do, there are 2 options. When you want to add a column or row, you have 2 options. If you choose this one, add 1 column or add 1 row, you can change it. You can change it to let's 2 or maybe even 3 or even more, no problem. So I want to add 1 column, and if you want to add a row, you need to get here. You can add even more than 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 row, no problem. If you use any of these 2 things, if you use these things, then the column will be added here in the last as the last column. But if you want to insert a column in the middle, like maybe as the 3rd column or the 2nd column, what you need to do is to first you need to select a column like this. Let me select this column. Okay, I have selected the 2nd column, which is designation, and now selected column I want to insert. Let's see whether the new column is inserted before this one or after this one. Yes, just as I was about to tell you, the new column has been added before to the selected column, as I recalled at the last moment, but I didn't tell you that. Okay, so now I can rename it, but no, it was not here. It was the column was here after joining, most possibly after joining date. So here the column I just deleted a few moments ago, it was the 4th column, and monthly salary is the 5th column. So what was the column's name? The header was total service period, and okay, and the first entry was probably 3.8 years. The second entry was 3.3 years. The third entry was 2.8 years. At the fourth entry was 2.3 years. Okay, so now I have got back to the previous condition, a situation that I was in. One thing is that it's like any other data entering. I mean, just like everywhere else, you need to save the changes you have done. Otherwise, your save may not reflect. Okay, so I have, let's see, preview. Okay, it is still the same column with 5 rows and 5 columns. Name of the employee, designation, joining date, total service period, and monthly salary. But in the last few videos, I covered a few, not everything, but I covered a few things like how to insert a link. I inserted a link here on John Smith's name. The purpose is that when I will be clicking his name, a new URL will be opened in a separate tab. Okay, so it could be like his Facebook. The URL could be his Facebook profile or his LinkedIn profile or any other page that may refer to this particular employee. I also showed you how to insert an image on any cell of your TablePress column, TablePress table. Anyway, so I want to cover more. I also probably did I tell you about advanced editor. I do not understand much about this editor. It says please click into the cell that you want to edit using the advanced editor. I said okay. I will be clicking the editor. Let's say this is the cell I want to edit with advanced editor. I can add media. Let's see what media I can add. Media means video clip or maybe an audio clip or even an image. These things are called media. I can insert any of these images. Then again, I guess since I already showed you how to insert an image, so at this point adding a media is kind of meaningless to me. I can also add a contact form. I although clicked a contact form, but I don't know. Okay, just know that. Oh gosh, like I told you in a previous video, I don't know what has gotten into me and the scrolling thing. I want to. Are you sure that you want to exit from form editor without saving any changes? Yes, I have not made any changes, so I'm sure. God damn it. Okay, I just don't know what happened. I will get back to you when it becomes normal once again. Oh, okay. So actually, no, I don't need to hide from you. Just know that you can add a contact form here using the advanced editor and other things like let me select this text and I can bold it strong. Okay, they are in HTML tags. I can can I Control Z? Control Z doesn't work. How about let me select this text and now I click E. Not only they are strong now, they are also italic. Let me select this and put a link. I told you, I showed you how to put or insert a link. So no need to show here that. And I don't know what they mean by delete, insert, image, code, or close tags, whatever. Just know that there's an option here called Advanced Editor in TablePress table. And I do not want to save anything. I do not want it to be bold.